Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. I have a pressure washer, and what was happening is I had a leak coming from the unloader valve area. So anytime I ran the pressure washer here, water was spraying out and the pressure washer wasn't holding pressure. It wasn't working like it should. And I'll show you how to remove, either replace or reseal this. In my instance, I just have to reseal it, and it works like a dream now. And I'll show you how to do that. So I'm just gonna set the pressure washer this way to show you guys everything. So right here is a pin that holds the unloader valve. You're going to use a flathead screwdriver, jam it in here, and you're going to pull the pin out. The unloader valve is usually going to be stuck. It's going to be hard to come out, so you can use a flathead screwdriver just to kind of pry it out. Okay. Now, in my instance, I got two O-rings right here, and water was leaking out of this way because this O-ring was completely gone. So I'll just show you how to replace the O-rings. Use one of these little picks here. Now, a lot of times you can't buy the O-rings from the manufacturer, or they're real hard to buy. So I just went to Menards and I bought an O-ring kit here, and you just fit the size here. Now, before you put the O-rings, you want to use like a Scotch-Brite pad, and because you're going to have scale here and rust, and you're going to clean it real good, and then spray it with brake cleaner. And you want to check here also if there's any scale. You want to clean that and spray it with brake cleaner just so it's clean. And then you're going to pick the right size for your O-rings. You're going to put your O-rings back on here. All right. Oh, you also want to make sure this is not stuck, that it's moving. So now, before you put once you got this clean and everything, you want to use a little bit of grease, and you want to grease up the O-rings. What it's going to do is basically make sure that the O-rings aren't pinching against this. That's it's going in smooth. Now right here, one thing that's going to happen is if you're pushing this pin in, and it's stuck right here, that means this is not far enough. That's why you want to grease it, because if you don't grease it, this thing is going to be coming back out and you won't be able to get it in. So what I like to do is I like to use a little socket here, and I'm going to use this socket to push this in. There we go. And now it came in. And, once you have it in already, you can just finish it up with a little hit or something like that. For the most part, that's it. And after I did this, this machine works like a dream now. It's day and night difference. So if this video helped, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.